Hi guys, today we are going to talk about Beehiiv versus Convertkit. Which is better to build your list? Hesitating between Beehiiv and Convertkit to start your email list? This guide has you covered. Convertkit and Beehiiv are both creator-oriented. Convertkit offers more features that are handy if you want to explore all the benefits of email marketing. Beehiiv is still in the early stages but growing fast. Let's have a core contrast between Convertkit and Beehiiv. While both serve the email marketing dream, they sit on different ends of spectrum. Beehiiv is more than just an email marketing tool. It's a mixologist blending blogging with email marketing into a smooth concoction. Each piece of content you cook up doubles as a blog post. Share an update with your email list and voila, it lands on your blog too, doubling your exposure. Now here's a fun fact about writing, penning an email and crafting an SEO-friendly blog post are two different ball games. These days when blogs were read without being SEO optimized, history. Unless you are already a superstar, you need SEO to pull readers in. With Beehiiv, you get a hand in making your emails work as SEO-friendly blog posts. On the other hand, Convertkit is an email purist. Write an email and it goes straight into your subscribers' inbox. No detours, no extras, just pure, unadulterated email marketing, but Convertkit has its unique offering, a public archive of your emails, your words forever etched on the internet. So if having a public log of your emails rings a bell, Convertkit is your go-to. The choice between Convertkit and Beehiiv hinges on this core difference. One offers a unique blend of blogging and emailing, while the other sticks to its classic email roots with an added archival bonus. These contrasting charms make them the darlings of the marketing world. Finding your space in the digital world can be like navigating a maze. With Beehiiv and Convertkit, the journey takes slight different routes. Beehiiv, unlike Substack, doesn't give you a newsfeed. Your road to discovery with your blog article on Beehiiv is paved with SEO. No newsfeed means your spotlight comes from search engines. So, if your SEO game is strong, you're golden. Of course, there are other tricks up Beehiiv's sleeve like boost and recommendations. I delve deeper into them in my Beehiiv comprehensive review. Convertkit though signs a different tune. It doesn't let you create a blog or anything similar. Your route to discovery, it's all on you, like a solo road trip. Writing on platforms like Medium, crafting YouTube videos, and other creative pursuits are your keys to bring in subscribers. So with Beehiiv, it's SEO and some extras that lead your way. Convertkit, it's a DIY journey. Let's talk about the pricing sections of both. I'm just going to go to the pricing sections of both and tell you the difference. So here you can see that we have three pricing sections in the Convertkit. One is the free plan, then the creator one, and then the creator pro. The free one is placed for $0 per month and it's free for up to 1,000 subscribers. The creator plan is placed at $9 per month and then the creator pro plan is placed at $25 per month. And if I talk about the pricing section of Beehiiv, here you can see the launch plan, the grow plan, the scale plan. The launch plan is for $0 and no commitment. The grow plan is $42 per month and billed annually. And the scale is for $84 per month. It's the best value plan they offer. But here's the catch. These free plans aren't all sunshine and roses for both platforms. You'll find strings tied to your free ride, limited features, no automations, and other restrictions lurk behind the free label. It's like a movie trailer, you get a glimpse but not the full show. Now the table turn when your list grows beyond 10,000 subscribers. Here Beehiiv becomes the lighter option for your pocket, but don't let the price tag fool you. When it comes to automations and contact management, Convertkit outshines Beehiiv. So what's the takeaway? Convertkit offers superior automations and contact management, while Beehiiv wins on pricing and subscribers count. It's not just about the money, but also what you get for it. let's talk about the integrations. Integrations make the digital world go round. Convertkit and Beehiiv both play the game, but who scores higher? Convertkit is like the octopus of integrations. It connects with nearly everything, Zapier included, and even sports and API. Picture a tool and Convertkit probably integrates with it. Beehiiv, it's still in the minor league. It doesn't natively link with online course tools like Podia or Teachable. However, Beehiiv has a Zapier integration and a working API. Still limited, but a nice start. For now, Convertkit is winning the integration race, but Beehiiv has promised if they step up, they might level the playing field. Navigating the world of autoresponders, you have seen the ins and outs of Beehiiv and Convertkit. Each one shines in its unique way, but which one should you choose? Choose Beehiiv if you want the fusion of blogging and email marketing. If you want your email content doubles as blog post, Beehiiv is your tool. It's great for folks who are just starting out with a generous free plan up to 2,500 subscribers. It's also lighter on your pocket for larger lists. Beehiiv might not be the champion of automations or integrations, but it promises potential. And if you want a powerhouse of email marketing, Convertkit is your choice. It's a veteran in the game and offers a lot of features: automation, contact management features, segmentations, integrations with other platforms like Gumroad, tags, and rule-based actions are your bread and butter. It integrates with almost everything and boasts an advanced system for forms. Convertkit is the perfect fit for those seeking a robust, feature-rich autoresponder for their email marketing campaigns. So I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please leave in the comment section and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.